Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you one simple trick that will change the way you dress your fashion figure. It's called the cylinder principle. Once you understand this, every sleeves, every blouse, hem, and every skirt you draw will look correct and also look three-dimensional. Let's start. So, to explain this principle, I'm going to draw a cylinder. So, this is our cylinder, okay? And find the midpoint in the cylinder. Yes, this is the midpoint of our cylinder. This midpoint is called the eye level. What I mean by eye level is that this is where, if you want to use this principle, it's more like this is where you as an individual will stay, okay? So this is where you will stay in order to understand this principle. So let's just go ahead. Now, let's imagine you're standing here at the midpoint of the cylinder and you're standing at this particular place of the cylinder. If you look above the cylinder, right, it gives this kind of curve that the cylinder is looking like this. It gives this kind of curve that the cylinder is looking like this. And if you look below the eye level, it gives this curve that the cylinder is looking like this, making it look three-dimensional. Okay. So with this is your eye level. When you look above your eye level, you see your cylinder looking like this, round the cylinder. And then when you look below your eye level, you see your cylinder looking like this. We're going to apply this same principle when we are dressing our fashion figure, which is our croquis, okay? And at every hand, at every hem, at every waist and skirt hem, you apply this principle, or pant hem, you apply this principle. So let's use this crooked fashion figure. It's fine, right? It's beautiful, isn't it? So let's use this fashion figure to test our theory, okay? So this, where our waist is our eye level. Okay, and everything above our eye level, remember, it's this curve, like a smiling face upside down. I say this is a smiling face, right? Now we're drawing the smiling face upside down. That is above our eye level. So we're going to apply it. On this fashion figure. So let's imagine that we want to draw a bra, okay, or a armless bra. Are you seeing the curve? Right? And then we'll bring it down. This is our bra. This is our bust area. To make it three-dimensional, you draw the same curve, round it, as though the figure is wearing, like it's inside the bra, like as it should. So we used the principle, okay, above the high level. This is our high level. We use the principle above the high level. The same thing with our hand. If we want to draw a sleeves, let's imagine that this our bra now has sleeves, okay, and we want to wear the sleeves. This is our eye level. Where our elbow is our high level, our eye level, sorry. So anything above the eye level, okay, it's like this, and the sleeves is short sleeve. It will look like this. It's already giving this 3D effect, right? And let's imagine that the sleeves is long sleeve. Anything below the high level, remember the principle, it's like this. Okay, so this is a sleeve, and that's it. You've been able to successfully draw an outfit on your fashion figure. Now, let's use the same principle and draw the pants trousers on this fashion figure. This is our high level. Okay, let's try drawing a short pants trousers. Anything below the eye level goes like this. So with that, okay. Now, are you seeing our outfit coming together? Same thing if you are drawing a long pants. Anything below the eye level, it's like this. Okay, and this is how you make your fashion figure outfit look three-dimensional. Instead of drawing something like this and call it pants, like you dressed your fashion figure, why not try out this principle and see if it will work out well for you? Now, let's use the same principle on our walking croquis, okay? There's another principle I would want to say now, because anything that has to do with fashion, illustration, designing has laws, there are principles, there are rules, okay? And also when drawing a fashion figure, there are also rules and principles. So this is a walking figure, right? And we see that the waist is slanted, like it's bent, like it's slanted, okay? Now, this principle I'm going to be sharing with you is very simple. It's very simple. any direction or any proportion, any direction your waist take is the same direction the hem of your garment will take. Now, this is a walking crookie, and the waist is slanted. That is to say, if you are going to be dressing your figure wearing a skirt, right, the skirt will not be straight like this. It's going to take the direction of your waist. That is how the hem of the skirt will look like. It will take the direction of your waist. That's basically it. If your waist is straight, okay, it's going to take the hem of your garment or any outfit you're sewing is going to take the direction of how your waist is. Okay, so if your waist is like this, the hem of your outfit will take the same direction. All right, so now we're going to use this to draw an outfit following this formula. And let's say we want to draw, so let's use a reference, right? And this is how, are you seeing the direction of this? Anyway, let's draw this pants on this crooking. Oh, sorry. Now, are you seeing the direction? We're going to do the same direction. We're going to do that same direction, not neglecting this rule. Okay? See? And voila. You have your fashion. You have your fashion figure putting on a majestic, beautiful pants. So, how does it look? Beautiful, right? Yeah, that's it. All you just need to understand in fashion illustration is the principle. Once you're able to get to this principle, you're good to go. So I just gave you this free of charge. Now, let's use the same principle to dress out, okay? And I would want to use something beautiful. I want to use something beautiful for this outfit. Now, I'll be working with a reference from here. So I'm going to pick this neckline. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to pick this neckline, but I would want the sleeves to be different. So let's go ahead and draw. Not neglecting the principle. At the hem of a long sleeve, okay, as long as it passes eye level. This is the eye level, our elbow, okay? So this is me. I'm done drawing the outfit that I imagine this fine girl is going to be wearing. So working with reference is not a cheat code. It's actually one thing that will help you as a beginner improve your fashion figure or improve your skill as a fashion illustrator. And voila. What do you guys think? Looks amazing, right? And it's so, so beautiful. Now, this is our fashion figure. And it came out nice. I think I love this outfit. And I don't know what to do with this damsel. So I also want to use the same principle on her. She is the fashion figure I drew yesterday. So I'm going to be cleaning all of this just so that I'm not going to waste my skin. So I want to press this fashion figure. And I think I like this blouse. It's not It's beautiful, it's amazing, and it's modest. So I'm going to be using the same blouse to dress up, but then I do not want a pants trouser. So I'm going to use what do they call, is a bubble skirt. Yeah. So sketch with me. And voila, you have your fashion figure looking so beautiful. So we use the same principle to draw this two fashion illustration. So tell me what you think. Practice and practice, and use this principle. You can share your video with me, or you can share your drawings with me at designsbyadira@gmail.com, and I will put you through. Or you can just register for my class. Presently now there's a physical class ongoing here in Abuja. So if you're interested, you can also send a DM to me at designsbyadira@gmail.com, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.